Hey guys, good evening. I hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're going to look at Pywhatkit. It's a lovely library in Python that you can use to send WhatsApp messages and play stuff on YouTube and so forth, and search stuff on Google and so forth. Okay, cool. So what I need to do is to show you a quick intro to it. So I need to install it on my laptop. So you type in pip3, then install Pywhatkit. So pip3 means obviously you're gonna be using Python 3, you know. So yeah, then enter. Bravo, done. It's installed on the laptop now. So I'll just quit my terminal. Okay, cool. And then I need to open my idle shell. And then what I need to do is import the library. So import Pywhatkit sp. Okay, so that's done. Okay, cool. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get some info about a program. So type in p.info. The Fresh Prince. So Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Or Bel-Air. I'm going to have about 5 lines. So lines equals 5. 5 lines of information. So there we are. So it gets the information for you and stuff. Okay, cool. Then so p dot play on YouTube. So by URL, so command paste, and then that. Then it opens the browser. So it's about the rugby, New Zealand rugby and stuff, that sort of thing. Okay, so you get the general idea. Okay, cool. And then I need to set something as well. So if I do want to search something on the search engine, so p.search. Oh, macaroni. So it opens the browser as well. So it searches about macaroni, you know, that sort of thing. So that's how it works as well. So cool. And then if I need to send a WhatsApp message, okay, so p.send what message. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to use a random number, +44 749 33 84 625. That will do. Yeah. And then my message will be, hey, how are you? Okay. And then close that string. And then the time that I want to send it. So it's 1700 hours at 27, yeah. Cool. So there we go. So we'll open in 5 seconds. Connecting. Bravo. Yeah, the phone number is invalid here because it doesn't exist. That's why you get that. But you get the general idea of what's going on. Okay, cool. And then if I want to do other stuff like say text to handwriting, so p.text to handwriting. Then I'll type in did you watch the match? Okay, and then a string, so I'll use my users. So when my drive is users, and then Tony Kush. So my message.png. So it's processing that. Yeah, it's done. Okay, cool. So so that's done. And then There we are. Did you watch the match? So cool. Yeah, so it's just a quick intro with Pywhatkit. Yeah, you can do other stuff as well. So hopefully that's helpful. If you like what you see, please do subscribe. And thanks guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.